welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you're new around here, my name is Danielle. In today's video, we're gonna head to TikTok and check out some different ways that you can style a lob and a bob haircut. I've been featuring so many lob and bob haircut transformation videos these past couple of weeks, and today we're gonna just check out some different ways that you can style them. So here we have someone adding in this beautiful braid to the front portion of their hair. It looks like her bob comes to around jaw length or so. And this is just a really cute, chic way that you can style your hair if you want to try something different. So if you feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, please be sure to give this video a like and of course hit that subscribe button if you want to see more hair trends. So here we see how to do a cute rubber band style. She did add accessories for that one, very chic. And then the next creator does have a lob haircut. So she's going to show us how she styles her hair and gets rid of the frizz. Now this is a tip that'll actually work if you have longer hair as well. And then here she is again doing a different hairstyle. So she's going to be doing a half up, half down look for this one. And then we have a Y2K hairstyle with the rubber bands in the front. So if you do have a bob haircut and you want to create some of these styles, the best length that you can obtain is the lob. This will offer a lot of versatility. The shorter you go, it will be a little bit harder to create some of the trendy hairstyles that we see on TikTok, but it can be done. So here we have someone with gorgeous money piece highlights going in the front, and she is simply adding curls to her bob. Love the way that her color looked. So then we see someone else styling their bob. They have pink within their hair. Gorgeous. I love the way that the pink looks blended with the blonde. So here we have a shorter bob once again, and she's doing another rubber band hairstyle. And then we see a technique for adding volume to short hair. So her bob is about neck length. And then we see a DIY hair cutting of a bob. So she went from shoulder length to this beautiful neck length style bob. Love her hair color as well. So then we have a bubble braid hair tutorial for short hair. Very cute option if you just want to do something different with your hair and get it out of the way for the day. Then we have a braided hairstyle option. And then we have another styling video. So she's going to be using a flat iron to do her hair with this tutorial. Now the shorter your hair is, the smaller the flat iron that you should use. You'll be able to grip your hair a lot better and your curls will look more defined. So here we see a blowout on a bob. And that round brush is just going to give you some height and volume, especially around the roots of the hair. And then we have another wavy hair tutorial. So she's going to be using a crimping wand for this. You can get this off of Amazon. I have one myself. Definitely comes in handy. And you can curl your hair with this whether your hair is short or long. Very pretty. This is a great way to add some volume to your hair, creating a nice texture throughout. So then we have someone else with a shoulder length bob. And she's going to be doing a blowout with this Dyson wrap. Now Dyson can be quite pricey, but you can find cheaper variations. I know that Revlon has like a blow dryer brush as well. But this is a great way to get some volume to your hair. So she's pretty much able to blow dry her hair and add curls at the same time. Brilliant invention. Absolutely gorgeous. Love the amount of volume that she was able to achieve. Alright you guys, so that is going to be it for this video. I hope you were able to find some hairstyle ideas within it. If you did, please be sure to give it a like and hit that subscribe button so you never miss a hair video.